Hi everyone, so I'm going to be writing out this melody in Sibelius, ready for one of your worksheets to do. So I'm going to leave the camera running and talk through the process of doing that with Sibelius first. So I've double clicked on the icon, I need to open it up. I've turned the music off, which you can do in the options, but it's a pretty cool little tune. Let's see how we go. When you first open up Sibelius, it's going to give you this quick start, so I'm going to double click my blank template. I'm going to press I for instruments, and for now, I'm going to do what's called an unnamed treble staff. So that's just a basic treble clef staff that I'm ready to do. So I've got my little keypad in the corner. If you've got a number pad on your computer, on your keyboard, that's really easy. You press 4 for a crotchet, 5, and it kind of maps itself to that. But for you, I'm just going to use our mouse and our cursor. So this melody is in 3/4 time and in the key of F major. So when I go to my notations tab at the top corner, I want to make sure that I've got my key signature in F major, so 1 flat, and I click it at the start, and my time signature being 3/4. If we don't do that, then it's not going to look right. Alright, let's start putting this melody in. So it starts with a T, and then it has 2 crotchets following. So you go F up to C, and then a D. Now I've placed that too high. I can click underneath, but it's going to put in a second note, Control Z to undo. All I need to use is use my arrow keys and press the down arrow, and it puts it down a note. And then a B. Then it goes back to T, so I'm going to go back to my quavers. And then C, B. And then crotchets, so pressing the crotchets, F, A up to a high F. For the rest of it, I'm just going to use my shortcut keys. So then a D, C. Again, Control Z to undo if I've gone too far. B, G. And then a C, so a dotted minim. So minim with the dot to make it 3 beats long. Now, the second part of this melody is kind of the same. So I'm just going to Control C for copy and paste it in. And then have a look at what's different. So actually this first note starts on an A, so I'm going to move it up to A. Then it goes up to a B, then a C, then it drops down to a D. Now rather than pressing this button all the way down to a D, which you can do, press Control down and it takes it down an octave. Now the rhythm changes here to a crotchet. So now that I've got this note selected, I can just press the crotchet button and it changes it to a crotchet. And it should be a B, a G, a C, finishing on F, the tonic of this piece. And that's it. Really quick to write in a melody. Once you get the hang of it, it will drive you nuts listening to all of those different notes, particularly when you have to change a few. So try and turn your volume off on your computer. Hopefully that gives you a little indication about how to use Sibelius. There are more in-depth videos on YouTube, or you can Google some help, all a part of that independent learning that you're going to be doing. Good luck!